a straight line parallel to the line y equal to root 3x. Given line y equal to root 3x. Parallel to line. This is parallel to y equal to root 3x. This is parallel line. These two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel, therefore slopes are equal. Slope y equal to root 3x. This is in the form of y equal to mx plus c, where m is root 3. M equal denoted by tan theta equal to root 3 when it is possible, tan 60 degrees. By principal solution, theta equal to 60 degrees. This line slope is root 3. This line slope is also root 3. This line makes an angle theta equal to 60 degrees. And this line L1, straight line parallel to the line. This line passing through Q2 comma 3. Suppose here write Q2 comma 3. And the line 2x plus 4y minus 27 equal 0 cuts the straight line. This line 2x plus 4y minus 27 cuts L1. This line is 2x plus 4y minus 27 equal 0. These two lines point of intersection is at P. But P we don't know. Theta we know. This line makes an angle. Suppose this line makes an angle 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Now parametric equations of straight line. X comma y equal to, that is P point, x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. But r is what? From distance P to Q is r. Here write down. And PQ equal to r, our assumption. Distance of PQ equal to r. Here r is r. x1, this is x1 comma y1. 2 plus r cos theta cos 60 degrees comma 3 plus r sin 60 degrees. 2 plus cos 60 value root 3 by 2. Root 3 r by 2. Here 3 plus r sin 60 value, cos 60 value 1 by 2, 1 r by 2, two plus r cos 60 value 1 by 2, r by 2, 3 plus sin 60 value root 3 by 2, root 3 r by 2. That is P point. P we known. P line, P point is passing through 2x plus 4y minus 27 equal 0. Point P passes through two x plus 4y minus 27 equal to 0. This point substitute in this equation. 2 into 2 plus r by 2, that is x value, plus 4 into 3 plus root 3 r by 2 equal to 27. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 2 cancel r, 3 4s are 12, 2 2 cancel, 2 2s are 2 root 3 r equal to 27. R plus 4 plus 12, 16. 27 minus 16, 11. Here R plus 2 root 3 or R common, 1 plus 2 root 3. R equal to 11 by 1 plus 2 root 3. That is R value. But here 1 plus 2 root 3, 11 plus 2 root 3. 1 plus 2 root 3. Rationalize. 1 minus 2 root 3 by 1 minus 2 root 3. R equal to 11 of 1 minus 2 root 3 by a square minus b square. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Equal to 11 into 1 minus 2 root 3 by minus 11 minus 11. 11 11 cancel. Here minus multiply. Minus 1 plus minus into minus plus 2 root 3. That is R value. PQ distance is minus 1 plus 2 root 3. Very important for the IP purpose.